May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala shower his countless blessings on you and your family on this holiday. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala heal every person who is suffering from pain. Today is Jumma, the brightest day of the week. Clean yourself, pray, make dua, and recite Darood and read Surah Al-Kahf. Shines of Friday in the heart of Muslims among those who will receive the blessing and prayer Friday. About the Jummah, all I pray that may you blessed with the favors of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and your life is filled with the good health, love, joy and peace. Happy Friday. Life is less without you. So today on this Jummah, I wish you may this Jummah bring happiness to your life. I wish even the happiness of my life are granted to you. I wish you always live happy. The best gift you can give to someone is dua. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, there is such an hour on Friday that if any Muslim makes his dua in it, his dua will definitely be accepted. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, you do not do evil to those who do evil to you, but you deal with them with a forgiveness and kindness. Your whisper and sujood are heard in the heavens. Alhamdulillah for everything I have and for everything I've been blessed with. The happiest people are those whose hearts are content with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's plans. Sufficient for us is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and He is the best disposer of affairs.